everybody, Mr. B here, and welcome to the Loft. I've got a quick one for you today. I am going to show you a very fast, very delicious teriyaki pineapple marinade that goes great for all things pork and all things chicken, okay? In addition to that, I'm going to do a mustard mango glaze that we are going to put on this chicken once it is finished grilling. Now, you can't grill, the weather is bad, you could easily do this in the oven. You might want to throw it under the broiler to get a little color and caramelization on it. Enough of that. So, first thing, with trusty gallon Ziploc bag, and I'm going to throw some chicken legs in it, because that's what I have. You know, I'm a dark meat guy, what can I say? So, we're going to get this going. I've patted this dry. So, there we are. You set him right there. Wash my hands, right? Perfecto. Now, it's so easy. The flavor you get out of this is crazy good, and I've been obsessed with this. So, you're going to take store-bought teriyaki, you know? I mean, why not? About half a bottle, it just depends on how much chicken y'all got going on, okay? But I want it to be really good and covered. How are we doing there? That's looking pretty damn good to me. Okay. Heck, there's no point saving the rest of that. Let's go. Let's go. Perfection. Now, to that, we're going to add a can of crushed pineapple. Kind of juice and all, right? Hello, lovely. And then I'm going to take about, I don't know, 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to smash them. Drop them in. You will want to just, you know, get them open so they can release their essential oils. There we are. Thank you, lovelies. Okay. And that goes. And then we're just going to mix this up real well. Get the air out of it. Beautiful. Now, we're going to pop this into the refrigerator. Pro tip, put a liner under it, because never trust these bags, okay? So here you go. Now, how long do you marinate it for? Well, how long do you have, okay? So I personally think that, you know, yes, there is such thing as you can marinate too long because it'll break it down. But if you've got 30 minutes, do it for 30 minutes. It's going to be better than not doing it at all. I like to go about 4 to 8 hours. I have gone overnight. Yeah, so how much time have you got? Use what you have. In it goes. Thank you in advance for your service. And I'm going to wash my hands. Okie doke. So now I want to move on to the glaze, okay? So what is the glaze all about? I've done this before, and it keeps evolving, So I'm gonna take some of this Bon Maman mango peach preserves. You can use pineapple preserves, whatever. I like the mango, the peach. If you can't find this brand, listen, Welch's has got the same thing. Probably not as good though. Anywho, we're gonna crack this open, and I'm gonna start off with maybe about half of this. All right. To that, I'm going to add some mustard. Get some good quality stuff here, kids. I like the grainier the better. If you're more of a creamy, you know, kind of Dijon thing, same thing, right? Use what you have. So to this, I'm going to add, we'll do about half of this jar. And then I'm just going to mix this up real well. Okay, and I am going to give this a taste because sometimes it's too jelly, sometimes it's too mustardy, and you know, you're going to want to fit it to your taste as well. So, let me get a taste here. There's everything in a bag of chips right there. Absolutely. And we're going to refrigerate this. So what is this for? So I'm going to grill my chicken. This video is not about grilling. This video is about a marinade and a glaze. So as your chicken hits the 165 degrees Fahrenheit that you're going to want it to be, you're going to glaze it. You're going to glaze one side, close the lid to your grill, let that set for about 3 to 5 minutes. Flip them, glaze the other side, let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. It's going to caramelize, it's going to get gooey. It is going to be amazing. Into the fridge this goes for later on. Okay, I may come back with some grilled chicken at the end of this video. I may not, I may end it here. So click subscribe, come along for the ride, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. And tell me about what marinades you like. Take care, kids. We'll see you.